Welcome to our next tutorial of the day. My name is Kelly Brock and I am coming to you live from Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm going to be taking you guys through a Smokey Eye tutorial today. So thank you for being here with me. Make sure to comment, to say hey, to tag your beauty consultant, let her know that you watched this video. We're going to keep reminding you because after each video, we are doing a live product drawing 30 minutes after the video goes live. So we're going to be giving away a product that we talked about that you're going to want. So you want to make sure you keep popping on here on the hour, so you don't miss anything. Okay. And of course, if you miss a video and you still want those products, you still want to shop those products, you can come back and watch those videos while the event is open. Tag your beauty consultant. She's going to honor you with some special exclusive shopping privileges just for being a part of this event. So are you guys excited to learn a Smokey Eye today? Real quick about me, my name is Kelly Brock. I am from Charlotte, North Carolina. I am a mama of two. I have a 4-year-old little girl. I have she's about to be 4, a 1.5-year-old little boy. His name is Rainer, and Everly's my daughter. I'm married to my high school sweetheart. We just had our 8-year anniversary. I have been working my Mary Kay business for 9 years. I started when I was in grad school. I was working a full-time job in corporate wellness, and I was going to graduate school, and I was planning a wedding, and I needed a way to make some extra income. I was a group exercise girl. You would not have looked at me. You wouldn't have even looked at me 10 minutes ago and been like, show me how you do what you do. But luckily, a girl can learn. A girl can learn how to do anything, and so I decided to learn the skills of running a Mary Kay business. The things I love about my business right now, I love the flexibility. I love the fact that it is providing a lifestyle for me that's allowing me to pop in here, be with you guys, go to VBS with my daughter, and come back home and work some more and have that flexibility that my priorities wanted for me. So, okay, you guys, are you ready? I'm excited for you guys to be here. Thank you for being on. Make sure to comment so you're in the free product drawing. So obviously I already have one eye done because I wanted to show you how fast and easy this can be. I went ahead and put my eye primer on. So eye primer is going to help keep on your eyeshadows even longer. We have oil glands on your eyelids, so a lot of times you can put on eyeshadows and they can crease or fall out throughout the day. I'm going to introduce you to Mary Kay's Chroma Fusion eyeshadow line. So this is the Pro Palette. All of our Chroma Fusion eyeshadows, you guys, are a blend between a mineral eyeshadow and a cream. So like a moisture. So you're going to have 12-hour wear, no creasing, no fallout. Like I'm going to do a smoky eye and I'm not going to wipe anything away. There's not going to be any residue all over my face. So it's incredible. But that eye primer also makes the difference. So I've already got my eye primer on and I'm going to walk you guys through this super easy brush set and eye smoky look. Okay, so the first brush I'm going to use from your brush collection is the all over eyeshadow powder brush, okay? And I'm going to be using this color right here. It's called Rose Gold, and it is a beautiful pink tan color, and I'm going to pack that product in on the bottom of my eye up to my crease. Okay, and this is going to be really gorgeous. And notice how I'm not flicking. I feel like a lot of people said, oh, there's an eyelash. A lot of people flick their products and you really just want to kind of pack it into that eye primer. And I'm just kind of going up to the eye socket with that all over eye powder brush. Okay, now with that same brush, I can clean it out, but I'm going to go into my transition color. A lot of times when people do smoky eyes, they get nervous to go darker and they go for a dark color first and then they're like, I got too much, I need to blend it out. So I always use a transition color and I'm going to be using this one right here, and that's called Hazelnut. So Hazelnut, now I'm just going to go right into my crease and kind of blend the color. So when I put on that darker shade, it's going to blend easier. And I'm just going to kind of go up onto that brow bone for me right here, just to give it a soft transition so it's not so sharp when I go to use the next color. All right, so the next color I'm going to use, and I'm actually going to use a new brush. This is called our smudger brush, and I'm going to take this color right here, and it's called Rustic. And Rustic is a gold, a bronze, and a black kind of blend right here, and then I'm going to make a V up into that crease. And I just kind of do this first with my smudger brush. And then I like to go back with my crease brush. So the crease brush is gonna have an angle, and I'm gonna go back into that same product. The reason I do it with a smudger brush, I like to give that tight line at the bottom, and then I go back and kind of blend that product out and give myself a little bit more definition, okay? And this is called rustic again. Just like that, back and forth. Kind of sharpen that up. I'm gonna go back with that same smudger brush, and I'm gonna pack that product in further into my eye, right here into the corner. You guys see that right here? And then it's called a tight line. When you define that line right under the blending, so it's just sharpening up that color, and I'm keeping it all into the corner of my eye. It's so interesting holding this palette at the same time. Okay, then my favorite brush again, the all over powder brush. I just love to take it, and it's just a nice loose brush so that I can get really great blending. Blending is the key. Okay, so after I've done that, I'm now gonna take that smudger brush. This is one of my favorite tips I could ever give you. I take that same smudger brush, and I'm gonna use this product. It's called Finishing Spray. This is the best finishing spray, period. I could tell you a whole long story. There's a company called Scandinavia. They sold the recipe to Mary Kay. Our makeup finishing spray keeps on your makeup for 16 hours. Like, I can go to CrossFit, I can do anything else, and it's gonna stay on there all day. Well, my tip is I do a little spritz on the back of my hand. I dip my smudger brush, right, and get it just a little bit damp. And then I'm gonna go back to that same color right here, that rustic. And I'm now gonna take that smoke and go underneath my eye. Okay, so I'm gonna take that all the way across, right into those lashes, just back and forth, giving it a nice smudged and smoky look. And I'm gonna take it up onto the top too. Same thing, just give it that deeper color up onto the corner, just like that. So now you can see it's mirroring this other side, okay? The finishing spray is amazing, you guys are right. Okay, then the next product I'm gonna use, I'm gonna be using our black mechanical pencil. I love this pencil because it's really smooth. It's not gonna give you those, like, you know when you put on eyeliner and you have like all those little divots because of the creases that are natural to your eye? So I've got my smudger brush, I can sharpen it. It's smudge proof, but I'm gonna take it right up top, and I'm just gonna go right into my lash line like this. Just make sure I get this even, because I do have to wear this makeup all day. Okay, so I've got that there. All right, perfect. Now, the next tip with this mascara, or I mean this eyeliner, you guys, so I could be done right now, I could put on my mascara and it could be a beautiful smoky eye, but if I really wanna smoke it up a little bit more, I'm gonna take it and lift my waterline and put it right here, literally on that waterline, under your lashes, okay? And then I'm gonna do the same thing below right here. I'm gonna put it onto this waterline on the bottom. When you put it on the waterline, it's gonna close up your eye and tighten that and just really give it that kind of sultry, smoky look. Okay, just like that. And then I am going to use my all over powder brush, and I'm gonna take a little bit, I love right under my brow to just have a neutral. So you could use Biscotti, which is this neutral right here. You could use Candlelight, or you could use Crystalline, any of those nice colors. I'm just gonna go for a nice soft matte right under the brow, just like that, and clean. Love black mascara, and our mascaras, I know you just learned all about lashes with Courtney. Wasn't she amazing? I'm using the Lash Love, which I know she explained gives that more sectioned and defined look. So it's really just deciding what is your preference. So I get my mascara on, just like that. And then you coat the bottom. I don't even think I put any over here. Always put that right here. And then my last little tip for an easy eye is I take, there's a little brush that you can purchase. It's called a concealer brush. It's a concealer brush, a cream eyeshadow brush, but I love to take a light shade, maybe like this Crystalline, okay? And I like to pack it right here in the corner of my eye, and it just makes your eye appear brighter. So right here, same thing. After I'm done, just pack it in the corner of my eye and right here. Okay, easy breezy, 5-minute smoky eye look. It's totally blended. It's absolutely gorgeous. Anyone can wear it. These are neutral bronzy colors. So I want to show you my exact palette. So I want to show you really quickly. Here's the 2 palettes. You've got the Compact Pro, and this is it's $25. All of our eyeshadows are $8. Our cheek colors and contour colors are $14, and highlighting colors. And so they all fit in here. They're magnetic. It's like brilliant. Like, why would I buy a palette of 20 eyeshadows when I only want 3 of them? Buy the 3 that you want. So Mary Kay was brilliant when they created this reusable compact. So you fill it up with all the things you need. If you're a makeup girl, you need the whole thing. Like, you're gonna want to have the variety that comes with the Pro. But if you're just like, I just need one simple perfect look, the Perfect palette is the one for you. And so you can fit 6 eyeshadows, and then you can fit a contour color and a cheek. And I put in here my exact look today. So I've got Shy Blush on, I've got my Latte Contour, Hazelnut, our transition color, and then we've got that Rustic for that bronzy black, you know, smoky look. And then you've got Onyx. I always love to add an Onyx if I really want to take it to a nighttime brush collection. And it's incredible because our brushes come with 5 professional brushes, all over powder brush for your translucent powder. All 3 of the eyeshadow brushes that I mentioned today come in there. You've got your crease brush, you've got your smudger brush, you've got your all over eyeshadow powder brush, and then you also have the cheek color. So literally all you need is to fill a compact with your look, your 5 brushes, your brush, zip it up, you are like ready to go. And add a finishing spray in there. And add in a $10 brush cleaner, because I always want to keep my brushes clean so that they don't break out. Our brush collection retails for $55. That finishing spray is $18. And of course, the eyeshadows are individual. So I hope you loved this quick tutorial. You guys don't forget to comment on here, tag your beauty consultant, invite friends. Did you guys know you can get free products for inviting your friends into these events? So I hope you're having fun. Enjoy this tutorial, and I'll be back in 30 minutes with a free product giveaway. Bye, y'all.